So I'm a little bit frustrated because I did post your assignment here. I'm not sure what happened, but ninth grade. I posted it here and I clearly told you that you need to work on your ingenuity, and I even showed you exactly what you needed to work on. So if you're unable to see that, again, here's what it should be. You're working on this section, writing and solving equations in two variables. You should have did the warm-up. Instruction, summary, and assignment. So what I see right now when I look into the gradebook is I see that most of you did the warm-up and some of you are on the instruction. So these shouldn't take that long. So I'm a little frustrated with your speed. You guys are in ninth grade. You should be able to go through the whole thing and be done. So what I want to see, and I'll check this tomorrow afternoon, the warm-up you should have done, the instruction should be done, the summary should be done, and you should have the assignment done. So these are your priority areas. The other thing is that some of you are still missing things that I told you to turn in. So a reminder, your progress reports are coming out next week. If you are unable to do the work in this class, then we may have to think really deeply about what we're going to do. You may have to come to tutoring. We may have to put you in a lower math class. You guys are ninth grade. Keep up. Yadala. Now, here we go. This is inequalities. So looking at this, Elias, you haven't done the summary. You need to retake your quiz. And I'm just looking at the assignment here. So putting your full grades on blast. I'm seeing a lot of reds. I don't think I've seen anyone pass the assignment. So again, you really need to make sure you're checking your work. Make sure you review the instruction if you're lost. There's quite a few of you, so what this little thing means is that you haven't completed it. So this needs to be done, and then there's a couple of you who need to take the quiz. So the only one who should be excused right now is Henry, but I see that he's almost there. So we need to make sure you're doing that. So it looks like Sean needs to take the quiz, Latham needs to take the quiz, Elias, you need to take it, Henry, and then all of you need to do the assignments too. Some of you who have this low grade, this red means that you failed. Okay, that's an F. So I would like for you to email Pamela and tell her, ask her, you know, what are your options? What are your options to retake this? So you guys have a lot to do. Get it done. Once you're done with that, because you're going to take the quiz for the next section next week, here I have created the problem set for you. So you should be getting a hard copy of this problem set right here. So again, you're going to answer. Please show your work here. That's what we want to look at, because when we review this next week, this is what's going to help you. So do not forget, the due date is written right here. Sean Henry, don't come in on Monday and tell me you didn't do it. Darius, who else? Latham. You guys need to do your work. Elias, keep track of it. Otto, Harrison, and Alex. This is due on Monday. We don't have school this Friday. So you can, if you finish all of these ingenuity assignments here, the warm-up, instruction, summary, and assignment, then you're going to work on this. So there should be nobody sitting around, nobody playing around. Again, this class, get on top of it. If you have questions, I'm not there to help you right away, but I told you if you have questions, write them down, and I can help you next week. Or all of you can email Pamela, and she would be very, very happy to set up tutoring with you. So please make sure you're on task and have this stuff done. I don't mean to scold you while I'm away, but again, you're in ninth grade. You should be able to do this. You should be able to do it with accuracy, and you should be able to do this quicker. Be on it. All right. So you have a lot to do. Don't just sit around. And do not lose these sheets. These are to help you on your quiz. So go through all of them. If there's a question you're stuck on, go back to your ingenuity and review the instruction section to help you. All right, we'll see you on Monday. And if you don't know what to do, review this other video from yesterday. Thanks.